Hello friends, welcome back. We're going to add static polarity lines and trend change boxes to come with the trading system here for you guys. And let's add static polarity lines. These lines will not change. They are based on natural laws. Just click that tool and click it here, and there we go. And we can see that this is for larger swings where market is going. All right, and then there's a single hotspot. If you want to go back and test it somehow, you can drag this all the way back. The lines will not change. All right, okay. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to just drag it. Since I dropped it here, it should be going forward. If I want to drag it even further back, hotspot, as we said, the lines will not change. So we have the structure put in place. Nothing much to do. LL, PP, level 1, price projection, static polarity lines, and there they are. Next thing we want to add is trend change boxes. The trend change boxes are, as we have seen before, designed for, now this is 5-minute chart, detecting the algos at critical swing points. So what are we going to do with this is we're going to use this very differently. If you want to reduce the, it's only a few weeks here, right? You can do that here. But let's go with this idea that there is a secret trend line which we should be using, offset trend lines, to pick the direction of the market. So let's start with this current week and we'll go back in time slowly. So on Friday and Thursday, this was the market condition. We have static prices where the market is very close to these prices. So what is missing is the confirmation, right? So let's do one thing. Let's make it go faster. So first thing we observe is, as you can see, the box is coming up at critical levels. Algos are doing bid-ask spread based trading. So what we are saying that these boxes, not only can you use it in a traditional way where we can look for the breakouts, we also want to use these as a trend lines. All right. Because if you want to catch big swings for the day, make sure we got the day's high or low, and we have to be close to one of the polarity lines. If we can, what we can do is use these offset lines. So what we are going to do, look at this base and this base, and I see that the rightmost box right here, right? So I'm going to use these to draw my bunch of trend lines. Okay. So I'm drawing it from here. I am looking for a clear path of projection, no interruptions. We can also do without those things too, but we'll get started first of all with this no interruptions. So you have algo boxes where we identify the algos coming on board, and we are saying from these edges of the boxes, we're going to project these offset trend lines, and give some room for the market to breathe and rally. And once we have a break of this trend line, we go back and retest on the other side to the tick. You can just see right here. Break and retest on the other side of the tick. And this is ES 5-minute chart. Market went down and came back up. We can do the same thing here. Give some room to breathe. I'm using, as you can see here, the edges of this box, and doing a trend line. Market broke, retested to the tick on the other side. Now this is 5-minute chart of ES, just as a reminder. Broke, retest on the other side to the tick. As a reminder, this is a 5-minute chart. So we were close to this price and I start drawing these lines. These are the polarity lines, static polarity lines. I'm getting close to the line. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to just project it from this edges to the edges to the edges. Right here, I'm using the end of the box, algo boxes. It broke, came back to retest to the tick. This is again a reminder, a 5-minute chart of ES. Ultimate precision. Since I'm close to the line, I'm going to do this. Alright, we can do this on and on. Using this edge, this is a clear sight of projection. Market broke. I don't see any retest. That's fine. Let's go. No problems. Same thing here. You can see how beautifully we can pick up the trends. The best trend lines are obviously the ones we have a retest on the break on the other side. So initially market is going there. You drew it like this. This edge, right, and this edge, you drew this one and this one. Market broke, came back to retest it to the tick. Again, this is a reminder, this is the ES 5-minute chart. How precise this is. So now these lines, as I said, you don't have to keep this tool on for a given day or for a given week. Just draw some lines, copy these lines, right, and just put a horizontal price lines there. So you have less tools to operate on. That's this line and this edge, and keep on moving forward. Now this is the second part of the rule. Since we don't have anything else going on, let's zoom in. This edge, starting from this edge or from the top, coming off the polarity, static polarity line. This is the box, the 3 boxes at the location. Break, retest to it on the other side to the tick. And this is a reminder. This is the ES 5-minute chart, my friends. The accuracy is unreal. Well, this is a weekend. Let the market do something useful, right? Alright, so this is how we can use these algo boxes to trade effectively swings, every swing. So this whole week was beautifully operating on this. So this week, every swing was captured. Let's go to last week. That should be enough. So 10-6. Okay, let's start from 10-6. Right? So we are drawing from here. And drawing from here. this box and this box, clear line of sight to the edges. It broke, came back to retest it. It took a while to come here to retest it. No worries, no worries. And we are in the middle also. A lot of cluster of things are happening, sideways action, so we cannot draw the trend line. What can we do? Draw the edges. Let's zoom in. We can do this on a minute level as well, but we will keep it at 5 minutes. The world loves 5 minutes. Okay, this edge, this edge. Let's do this a little bit like this. All right, so okay. So here we are. This edge, starting from this edge to this edge, we can just go up. Make sure we do it properly. All right, market came down to retest it on this side. Second time, third time broke it, retested on the other side. Break and retest on the other side. Algos are there now, right? So algos are there. So it broke, retested on the other side. This algo box is here, right here. It can be used for your below this entry. Stop loss is here on the trend line. Off you go. Market is going sideways. This is also going to help you. Middle of the night. If we go here, box. Just do it properly, that's all. Very precisely. We have a bunch of box here, precisely, right? There we go. Somewhere here you get a stop. Market came, retest on the other side. Again, let's remind you, you got it. It's a 5-minute ES chart with high precision. What else can we do? We can also do like this. Break, retest on the other side to the tick. Let's do one more. I'm just drawing the boxes and I'm not making any judgment call. I'm just telling when the market does this, I will do what market tells me to do. So this edge and this edge. My market is going sideways. I think you got this one. If not, again, it's a little late. After market opens again, it went to the tick. This one. If you got this, let it run for the entire next 24 hours. Let it run. If not, you can go and do it this way, right? All right. So this is how we got that swing. Now let's do it here. Same thing. I'm just drawing edges by edges. I'm not doing anything else. This edge to this edge came down to retest it. Broke, retested on the other side right here. It's all happening in front of you, my friends. Let's do this. At night, market in Asia session, we're gonna go sideways like here. Same thing's gonna happen here sideways. Let it break. If we retest, that's fine. If not, we still have an idea. But we also keep a context of how far and below and above are we on the lines, right? Just keep drawing. And just drawing this edge to this edge. Break, retest to the tick on the other side. And as you know, we want to remind you. Isn't it fascinating? I mean, if this doesn't fascinate you, the perfect way to do trend lines, even Gann is shifting in his graves right now. Because there is someone who took his work seriously and is helping the world. For those who seek shall find it. Find peace in finding the truth, right? So this is all about this. This is what it is. This is what it is. There's no guarantees in this business, but remember, we are here to do exactly what we think. Well, this is very super steep angle. Let's try this option, right? Just draw it. Just do it. Trust something. You can trust something. These are the algos. If you don't trust algos, it's very hard for you to trust anything else. So this edge. Market came down, retested on this side. I'm gonna draw it on bottom of this box. See that? I'm just doing the same thing what I'm telling you right here. Break, retest on the other side. Other side is here, other side is here. So I think it's 16 minutes. We are good to go. 15 minutes actually. 5 plus 1, 1 plus 5 is 6. We are in 369 frequency. Just universe says stop. You stop. All right. There we go. You can get very aggressive, right? But we have to do the right thing. That's the whole thing. Just go from here. Now this is the first time you're seeing that market crashed and did not come up to the other side. But we have algo box here. This is my short entry, right? Now this is giving me the confidence that I am at the right location for doing something. You may see this one too. Let's do it. And this is also another pattern called 3 strike down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Return. We'll talk about this other pattern some other day. So, all right, I think we covered everything, I guess, for 2 weeks. So that is what it is. So now you can see this static lines are also here, giving you a little bit extra confidence that, hey, I've come a long way. The line is broken. You can do this one, right? This box, and do it. Comes back to the line. On polarity line. This is polarity line. See that? So my friends, let's focus on vibrating to the laws of nature. Love all is the highest frequency. Share your love all. Participate in love all. Give love all. Do love all. And my friends, this is a byproduct of this. Right? Sharp line, break, retest. So in the future, when you see a trend line, think about this natural laws with these two indicators. Think about this, what has been shared with you, and share with others. Share your bread with others. Share your wine with others. I don't drink personally, but I would say that there's a sentimental value on that. The reason what I'm trying to say is there are people who have this notion of becoming successful in this market, and you can. This is the whole story unfolding, and let me summarize it. You can be successful in this market if you do the right things, follow the right things, and they are not difficult as I've been showing you, because we have automated this extensively. It's all custom things, fully automated. You just have to do just one click push here, one click push there, and it's about understanding the science and trusting the science. Nothing is happening here which is extremely complicated, right? Those things are hidden. As a trader, our focus should be on executing the best trade probabilities over and over, so the edge starts aligning towards a profitable bell curve. You don't have any fat tails on the left side and you don't have fat tails on the right side. You are converging towards the mean, which is going to be hitting 45-degree angle of growth, right? 45-degree angle of growth. The trajectory should be just kind of stable and heading towards 45 degrees, and by using these natural angles you can definitely get your equity curve in that slope. Thank you so much.